Hey there DIYers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to attempt to repair this Kobalt air compressor. Right now it is having some problems. Sounds like a belt slipping in there, so let's get right into it. So first thing I'll do is take this thing apart, go ahead and depressurize it. It's depressurizing the hose anyway. It's got turned off. Go ahead and disconnect the hose here. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. See what we need there. It looks like a star-shaped bit. Alright, so that belt is pretty well worn out. It's like no matter it heats up, then it just starts slipping real bad. So I've had this since like around 2005 or so. So it's a good 20 years old. Just go ahead and pull this apart here. Oop, need a longer extension. See what I can find. Looks like I have to do this the manual way here. There's grime down in these two. I couldn't get the bit down into the head. Yeah, it's just sitting there spinning. Okay, gotta see if I can clean those out. I don't know if that's going to do any good or not. See what little bit of air we have left in here. And get some sludge out of there. Still no. Still no. Alright, I think I'm going to need to get the hose and pressure down in there. Yeah. See if I can get a smaller bit in that. Yeah, I get some grime out of there. I think there's just a bunch of grime down in there that's really got that thing skunked up and I can't get the... I got it. Look at it. Okay. Now I just gotta get this one. Same thing. There's just so much grime built up in there that I couldn't get the bit down into fit into the top of the head. Yeah, maybe I can get some teeth down in there now. I can feel it biting slightly. There we go. I got it. And I'm not having to tear this up as bad as I had started. Alright, awesome. Alright, I think I got it loose. Alright, so now, let's look at that. Oh yeah, they're much better. Oh, guess let's see, let me go ahead and take that one off too. There we go. It's just one size smaller than the others. Alright, good deal. Hope I didn't break that. Yeah, we'll see. Dang it. Alright. So this belt, yeah, this belt is completely stripped. Now, let's see if we can get that one off. And that is an Allen wrench. Got all these old ones. I gotta clean these up. Look how bad these are. That's disgusting. Try the 7/32. See if that fits in there. Perfect. Oh. Yep. That is not one to go. Okay, I think I have one that fits it, which I do. Now let's see if we can break this free. I don't know if we can or not. Oh no, something was happening there. Oh man, I twisted off I broke it. That's cheap Chinese stuff. Like I just totally sheared that off. Here's the other part of it. I didn't put much force on that at all. That was like literally, oh man, if we're talking about 25 pounds. That yeah, so that sheared right off. Darn it. Alright. Well, let's see. Let me just put this right on here. Now we're direct drive. There we go. So we're just at the bit itself. Man, this feels like it's just soft. It's like it's like an aluminum injected or something. It's like that literally was not strong at all. That was, man, that's just for like inside home fittings and stuff. I don't know. That was horrible. Let's see if we can. There we go. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. That is coming off. We have success. Direct drive to the solution, or to the rescue. Oh yeah, look, I had some kind of Teflon tape on there or something, some kind of a thread lock. All right, now we got that. Let's see if this can come off. Oh, look at that, oh, beautiful. Oh man, look, we can get this belt off now. Belt's on there tight, but I think through spinning we can get it to slide off. Yep. Just have to wiggle it. Oh, there we go. All right. Alright, now we just gotta go to the hardware store and get one of these, and we'll be back in business. Awesome. You can see, like, see how there it had skidded on that, and then here there's just barely any little bit of teeth. There you can actually see the wire. So this belt was definitely worn out. 20-year-old belt, I guess. What do you expect, huh? Alright, let's go get this, and I'll be back in business. Restore my 20-year-old air compressor. Awesome. Alright. I'll be right back. Okay, I did find that online. I checked with local Ace Hardware, they did not have it. And then I checked Home Depot, they did not have it either. Then I realized that I didn't buy this from Home Depot, it was from Lowe's when I was up in Indiana. So a little bit of searching, Amazon had it. I have a subscription, so it's with the Prime, so I'm getting it in 2 days. So it'll be here Sunday sometime, so hopefully I can get it installed before I go off for my week's worth of work. And get this puppy back up and running. So we'll come back to it. Okay, so my belt came in a couple days. Again, I'll put the link below where I got this. And I did match it up. Looks like it's pretty much the same thing. This one might be a little stretched. And of course you can see the difference. This one has teeth and the old one's all stripped out. So, alright, so now the fun part of putting this on, of course it's easier to always put it on the small part first and then work on getting it onto the bigger part. So we'll get this wedged down in there, get it around the small cylinder. Okay, got that on there, and now it's just a matter of getting it to feed on. So should be able to just push and it'll just slowly wrap around. That's why I've always been able to get belts on other items. And it's just a little bit of tension on it. So it's, oh yeah. It's actually more tension than I can use with my hands. So I'm gonna have to get something in here to help turn that. Actually, let me get a screwdriver. So see if I can use this to help get that leverage. That's slowly. Almost there. Oh, there we go. Slowly slid off the other side, so let me see if I can. Okay, so it's on there, but it's not set on there quite right. There we go. It's almost on there. There we go. Success. All right, so now we got that on there. We're going to do a quick little test. Plug this in and make sure that it actually fires up and starts compressing. Plug this in here. Okay. Oops. Put a little knob on here. So we'll turn it on. Okay, that all spins good, and it looks like I need to now put this on. And of course, it looks like that. Well, I see. So I was like, I wonder why that wasn't centered, and it's because that's what actually does the actuating for the pump. Interesting. All right. So just get this lined up there with that. And screw this in. Okay. It's just hand tight. I'm gonna get the wrench so I can make sure it's on there good. Okay. Get this in here like this. And put that in there so that won't turn. And give this a nice crank. Yep, like so. Okay, we are good to go there. So now when we turn it on, it's actually pumped. Beautiful. Now we can just put the cover back on. Oh, check that off. Okay. And there you have it, folks. Another successful repair of a 20-year-old air compressor. So I'm back in business. Now I can use it as I've needed to for different applications. So hey, if you like this repair, like this video, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And until next time.